I'm dusty. Damn, you guys. This is a bad hair day. This is officially a bad hair day. Hello. Welcome back to my bathroom. And today is a maintenance day because my beautiful nails are busted. And by busted, I mean they're grown out quite a bit. And then my clear nails are lifting on the edge. I don't know if you can see that discoloration. That's lifting. All right. The clear coat itself is chipping. And the sides under this red nail, this nail is lifting. And yeah, I really shouldn't do my hair. I am hoping that my hair is not gonna snag on my nails too much. The state that my nails are in, if I did my nails first and then washed my hair, I don't know what would happen. But I do know that if I wash my hair now, these might be even easier to remove. I really need to do something with my hair. Like, this silk press is itchy. And I feel like my hair is just so dry, she's literally breaking off with anything. And you know what? We're not here for that anymore. We're not here for trying to keep a silk press as long as possible, because that does not align with who I am anymore. Let's see if my hair reverts. I feel like it should. I think it might take a wash or two before she comes back in her full glory. But I'm not fearful that she's not gonna come back. I'm really not. I mean, I think as someone who wants to keep her natural curls intact, but also straighten my hair whenever I feel like it, I feel like I'm not afraid that she's horribly damaged, because I don't think I use that much heat on her. I use 370, and other than that, it was when I took the brush to her to like finally straighten her out after I rev aired her. And so I'm at the point where in my silk press, I'm just losing hair like crazy, and I can't tell if it's like normal shed hair. And because I don't know if you can see that, but because my hair is straight, everything is just literally falling out of my head. Yeah, she was fun. And she'll be back. She will be back. She is an icon. She is the moment. It's also time for me to do my Olaplex stuff that I wanted to try. I feel like a bond builder and protein is what's missing from my hair routine. I have this one. I don't like Miel as a brand, but this is really good in my hair. And as someone who was in that moment desperate for something protein, this is what I could get my hands on. So she's gonna do. Then I also have these God damn it! These Olaplex products to try out in switching off on protein with a bond builder. So it's like, what I want to do is I'm gonna wash my hair 1 week. Okay, I use protein. We're gonna wash my hair next week. We're just gonna do a regular day. That third week, we're gonna do Olaplex, right? That next week, we're gonna do a regular wash. And then when it comes to that 5th week, I won't necessarily go back to protein, but we'll see what my hair needs. We'll see what she's looking like, you know? I used this before I straightened my hair. And so I've been reading up on the Olaplex products because I want to make sure that I'm using them right. They always say use number 0 with number 3. I don't got money like that. And so I just decided to use the hair perfector and then the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. And the way that a black girl with kinky coily hair would use these products is not written on the bottle. So yes, these products are for everyone, every type of hair. But in my research, this is kind of like a pre-poo thing. And this is like not a conditioner, but you would use this after shampooing. And black hair use a lot of oils and butters. So it's like if you're trying to get into the strand, maybe you need to cleanse first, a clarifying cleanse to like get all of that buildup off of your strand so the bonding thing can penetrate. And it's like, well, why don't you just get number 0 and it does that? No, it doesn't. It doesn't do that, which is why I've been genuinely confused and doing my research the entire time before I use these. But I'm probably going to use this as a reverter, kind of help me revert back from going straight. And then this is the one that I'll use more often, I guess. But specifically, I will use this one when I come back from straight. So let's watch my hair revert real quick. Let's see what she does. And we're going to either cry or continue with the wash day, or cry and continue with the wash day. Either way, we're continuing with the wash day. We must power through because we gotta give her a chance. She's gonna come back. She's gonna come back, and if she doesn't come back, she's gonna grow back, and she's gonna be elite. First things first, I'll eat your brain. Then I'm gonna stop rocking gold teeth and chains, cause that's what a motherfucking monster do. Hey, I dress up in Milan, that's a monster do. Monsters just up in heels, that's a monster shoe. And so I normally do conditioner and water to revert my hair, but since I'm going in with the hair perfector and I didn't really use oils on my hair, I'm going straight in with the hair perfector. And water. Because the directions say damp hair. Oh, goodbye silk press. You will be missed, but I miss my clean scalp more.
Process was done correctly, if you used enough heat protectants, and just a lot of factors which would determine the success of the reverting process. So on this particular day, I decided to take out my silk press. It's been 2 weeks, and it was time to revert back to natural. Good morning. I am about to take out my silk press. Can you believe that? I am hoping that
I smell her leaving.
I'm a bit scared because when I have my pad, these strands usually get wet. Like the strands at the back of my hair usually get wet, but they don't curl back up. They don't shrink back. And it just got me really scared. So because I'm a bit scared that I have heat damage already, I went ahead to buy this Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. It is made with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Okay, so it's like a treatment.
This is gonna be a good thumbnail.
Heat style hair, chemical.
Oh, I love her.
Everything, and after crying myself to sleep tonight.
Alright, so from what we're looking at right now, I'm not even freaking worried. We can just experience Olaplex now. And I'm not trying to use Olaplex to like fix anything, but this is a maintenance day. This is a maintenance day, and we are maintaining, or at least trying to maintain, our hair on our head. That's everyone's goal. Leave for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. So, you know what that means. You throw a cap on it, forget about it. So, I was gonna get straight into the shower. Not the shower, but straight into washing my hair. And, you know, the curls are coming back. Not that the curls are coming back. The curls are back. Why am I not in focus? Let's see. The curls are here to stay. But they do look like my hair does look juicier and in a way darker. Okay, everyone. That's my toilet. She's here. And she'll stop soon. But so I washed it out. I ate dinner. And now I'm gonna use the pattern leave-in because I did not use it when I washed my hair with pattern. So smells good. Yeah, scent matches. That's nice. There she go. So, yeah, let's. What am I doing with my hair today? I don't know. I don't know. Actually, I do know because we're gonna do something really, really quick, and we're just gonna throw this leave-in in, and then we're gonna hit it with the Lotta Body gel again. We're gonna give that another try. And I'm just gonna do a braid out, okay? Just a braid out. Simple, simple braids. My hair feels so soft. And I don't know if it's just the leave-in. I don't think it is. I don't think it is. Let me touch the other part before I add the leave-in. It's still soft, but it doesn't glide as well. So the leave-in is what's making it glide really well. But my hair, that bonding treatment did do something.
The device doesn't function once it's out of batteries until it's charged to full, right? Because then when you're fast, it doesn't work till it's full, and then the slow, it doesn't work till it's full, and only when it hits full is when it starts.
It was fucking awesome. That was in the era where batteries on smartphones only lasted like 8 hours. So you kind of had to do that if you were like, out in the world and couldn't plug it in all the time. But in that world where batteries are slow, but you get a lot of life out of it, was the battery dead, like all that shit. That it'd be a whole.
You say that it's so universal in literally any other technology.
It's a brand new day.
It's so stupid. Because cameras are all interchangeable batteries. Because if you had to plug your camera in every time you wanted to do something.
So I see this one curl right here, and she is so cute. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. I love her so much. I really am. I think I might be changing my opinions on gel. Um, Gel overall, and then the gel that I have here. Like, I'm having a good time with it so far. We'll check back in tomorrow because I have to take it down tomorrow. But we will check back in after it's dry. But I'm having a good time so far. Like, I'm not, it's like absorbing right into my hair. It's not crazy sticky. Like, my honey leave-in is stickier than this gel. And I'm here for it. It's Maximum Hold Styling Gel. I don't think I like Maximum Hold gels, strong hold gels, but I don't think this gel is actually strong like that, even though it says Maximum Hold Gel. Wow. Good morning. It's 4:58 in the morning. It's 5 in the morning. Let's take my hair down. Good morning, Salem. Good morning, buddy. So, my hair feels dry for the most part. I wouldn't be surprised if the inside of my braid was still kind of damp. So we're gonna take it down and see what we're working with. This is so disrespectful.
Well, just as I thought, trash.
I hate this. Oh, Jesus! I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. What did I do to my hair? What did I do to my hair? I'm gonna freaking cry. You know what? Wow. I'm never using gel again. I thought I was changing my mind, but I'm not. Ugh. Ugh. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Why? Silverfish. And I'm dusty. Damn, you guys. This is a bad hair day. This is officially a bad hair day. I don't know if I've ever had like a bad hair day before. I'm pretty sure I have, but as of right now for keeping track of my vlogs, on March 30th, 2025, since I started my little like routine solidly since like December-ish of last year, so about 4 months, we officially have a bad hair day. But it's okay though. We've got the puffs in, so we're cool. We're cool. We can still go out. We can still do work. Even if my puffs are looking like cousins and not twins. Shoot. I gotta get to work, y'all. It's 5:30. I'm all dirty.
Stay with her.
15.
Alright, well, I didn't need
Font 1 for your title card.
Yep.
Names are out on font 2.
10,
Copy that.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2 to rejoin.
1.
Rejoin, start your music.
Morgan.
And music. And logo fly. Set X with font 1. And Rolex. Dissolve. Animate. And push. And push. And push. And push. Set red clean on magic effect. And roll.
It was a very high scoring game on both
Set
sides.
2 box.
Kinley Cahalan had a couple of hits and began the
We'll do
scoring
an
with a
SEC
second
this.
inning home run. It turned
Do a
out to
flash
be
or
an
something like that.
11-7
Here comes
ball
Rock
game
Rock. Go.
in game 1. Now game 2 yesterday, the story was in the circle for the Gators as Keegan Rothrock picks up her 9th
Coming on
win.
camera.
Florida
3,
shut out Auburn
2,
10-0 in 6
1,
innings.
and effect.
14
On
shutout
camera.
run of the season for
Add
Gators
font 2.
pitching. And happy Sunday. Great to have you with us. Working
Ready to
remotely
lose the
along
font?
with Olympic medalist Daniel Laurie.
Lose the font.
So Daniel, what's sticking
Set
out for
4.
you through the
Set
first 2
3
games
with
this
font 1.
Font 1 for Florida
Copy
offense.
that.
To see Keegan Rothrock getting 4 innings under her belt is huge. She's been out since February 22nd. She has been that ace for them. You
Yep,
know they've
just push
missed
past
her.
the draw on the
So
left
Gator
hand, yep.
fans, it looks like she's back.
And
that was
dissolve.
good news, and good news for
Animate.
Gator fans yesterday with Rothrock. The
Lineups
offense
on
of
font
the
1.
games has been spectacular for Tim.
Copy that. 4. Just give me a different Florida
they've
girl.
been consistent all year long. Like that has not wavered.
Ready,
Even
4
when
under.
Rothrock
And
comes the line
take
did
4
go
under.
down, they've continued to
And
put up such good numbers, and I think
let me
that's
know when to
important
change
too,
it.
especially when maybe you're having some pitchers have to throw. You think about
Change
obviously
it.
freshmen getting some good experience as well. You
Ready,
gotta have
5
your back
under.
in
Take
the
5 under.
offense department.
4
Pitching on font
up.
2.
Gators starting lineup for Tim Kinder Folby. She's reached base in every game so far.
Series
Set
pitching for Auburn.
300
Set
career hits
2 or set 1.
Go.
Set 6 with font 2. Dissolve.
to reach that mark.
Caden.
Animate. 1. You got Rainy.
Auburn, the struggle has been in the circle.
Alright, you guys, I'm back from my shift. We did softball, and it was a really good shift. Like, there's just sometimes when you have a really good show, you're still thinking about the moments that you want back. And there's this play at first, not first, there's this play at home, and the Auburn coach had a great react because the Florida player pushed the Auburn player, and it was juicy. I love sports and drama and sports, and I wish we got that in again, or somehow in like, it wasn't in the rollout for that inning, and it wasn't part of the retease, and it was in the end of game rollout, but we went site to site instead of off air, so we didn't get to see that again. And I definitely had it in my game recap package, but we just didn't get it in. And it's like when you're telling all these good stories and documenting the game and you're doing well at both, some things still fall to the side. And like, you could still have a really good show, but still also feel like, damn, I wish we did more. We got more in. Telling more stories. Because it just means more. But anyway, I'm home now and I need to redo my hair because I don't like it. I don't like it. And it's hard. I feel like to separate my curls, my hair is gonna like rip and break, and I don't like it. We're gonna use this curl stretcher because it says it has a light hold, and I have a lot of it. So we're gonna see what she do and if she can save my hair this week. Do you think she can save me, Salem? Save me, Lotta Body. You're my only hope, even though you actually got me in this situation. Hi, Pookie.